quick guide to fixing iPhone battery drain. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you a quick guide to fixing iPhone battery drain fast. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, go to Settings, scroll down, and tap on Battery. Check which apps are using the most battery and note down anything unusual. Go back to Settings and tap on General. Here, scroll down and tap on Background App Refresh. Select off to disable it completely or choose Wi-Fi only to reduce background activity. Now go back to Settings, scroll down, and tap on Display and Brightness. Tap on Auto Lock and set it to 30 seconds. Then go back and make sure Auto Brightness is enabled. Next, open Settings again and scroll down to Privacy and Security. Tap on Location Services. Toggle it on, go through the list of apps, and tap on each one that doesn't need location. Set them to never or while using the app instead of always. Now go back to Setting, scroll down, and tap on Display and Brightness. Here, scroll down a little, turn off Raise to Wake. Open the Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner. Turn off Bluetooth and AirDrop if you're not using them. Finally, go back to Settings, tap on General, then tap Software Update. Check if there's an iOS update available and install it if needed. That's all for the video. Try out these steps and you should see your iPhone battery lasting much longer. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.